I'm Joe from Brent and Joe Studio. We're a website agency based in Eugene, Oregon, and we use Squarespace to create custom strategies and websites for coaches and educators. I've been using Squarespace for about 7 years now. I started using it because it was a really easy way to build websites for the small business clients that I used to work with. I still serve a lot of small business clients today, as well as sole proprietors, and I find that Squarespace is a really budget-friendly way for us to build beautiful and custom websites that are easy to maintain and add to after the fact. A lot of our clients maintain their own websites or are constantly having to update blogs, courses, or products. And so with Squarespace, it's really easy for them to hop in and add things over time and grow their business from one phase to another. My favorite thing about helping marketplace clients has been helping them grow their business from the DIY version of their website that they come to us with to something really custom, beautiful, and more suited to take them to the next stage in revenue and business growth. We love being able to strategize with them and get them through the hurdles that are needed to hit massive revenue marks and really expand their business into something that can make them passive income or even allow them to hire more people and scale their business to another level. One of my favorite marketplace clients was a yoga instructor who came to us with a website that had a few free YouTube tutorials and a little bit about her class schedule. We were able to take that and turn it into a really robust membership website that has passive income potential for her for years to come just by using the pre-recorded videos she already had of her classes. It's always rewarding to see how we can help people up-level their business when they come to us with something that they've started on Squarespace.